Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's look at some more Stream API interview question. Write a stream program to multiply alternative numbers in an array. So we have an int array given and we just need to give back a product of all the alternative numbers. So the alternative numbers we see here are 4, 1, 2 and 2. And if we multiply these, we'll get 16. Okay. So let's see how to code this. So we'll start with instream, which has a range function. So instream gives us a primitive int, a sequence of primitive int elements. So the range that we are going to consider is from 0 to array.length, and then we'll go for a filter. Now, why we go for a filter? Because we have to look for alternative numbers. And if you see in the question, if we are starting with 0th index, 2 is the other one, 4 is the other element that we have to consider, and 6 is the other element. So all these are even numbers, and this is the simplest way to find all the even numbers or the indexes in this case. Then we have to take a map, array, and reduce function. We'll take an identity, lambda expression, and then this multiplication. So this will give us back a reduced answer. So we are expecting a 60 here because 4 into, sorry, 16 here. 4 into 1 into 2 into 2, it will be 16. Now, if you get a question where you have to deal with odd numbers, a very simple change has to be done. This. And then you'll get a multiplied value of 5 into 7 into 9. Yep. So that's the solution for this question, and hoping you understood this question. Let's catch up in the next video.